This is an actual problem from the GMAT or EA. Stop the video and read the problem and ask yourself, what are you trying to find? So we're told that x equals this. Let me change colors. And we're trying to find I plus k plus m plus p equals what? Now notice that sum, each one of those are the exponents on the 2, 3, 5, 7. All right, x we know is this, but we also know it is the product from 1 to 8. 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 times 6 times 7 times 8. And x is also this. And these are written as prime factors. So let's find the prime factorization of x. Okay, I'm just going to ignore the 1, but I'm going to bring down the 2, it's prime. I brought that 2 down. Bring down the 3, it's prime. Now what is 4? 4 is 2 squared. Bring down the 5, it's prime. 6, break that down to 2 times 3. Bring down the 7, and what is 8? 2 times 2 times 2, or 2 cubed. So let's rewrite this. Let's combine. How many 2's do I have? I have 1 plus 2 is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 2 to the 7th. How many 3's do I have? I have a 3 here and a 3 here, so that's 3 squared. And I have 1, 5. And I have 1, 7. So let's sum the exponents, because the exponent on the 2, so this is written as 2 to the I times 3 to the k times 5 to the m times 7 to the p. So now let's find I plus k plus m plus p. That's 7 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1, 11 is your answer.